The same place look different in different seasons, right? In the lesson Monsoon Diary, you have a place, Missouri, where the place takes up different forms during different seasons. The author has wonderfully described the different seasons in that hill station, Missouri. Come on, let's enjoy how the place looks in the monsoon or in the different rains that occurs throughout the year in different months. Shall we go through the lesson?
Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He is considered to be an icon among Indian writers and children's authors and a top novelist. He has won many awards. A few to mention are the Padma Shri and the Sahitya Academy Award. What is a diary? A diary is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. In his diary, Ruskin Bond wrote about the silent miracles of nature as the mountains receive monsoon showers. The monsoon season in Missouri begins around the last week of June and continues till the end of August. The cold rains are welcomed in October till the last darkest cloud in March, which renders the sky clear for the rainbow after it hails. So, a short monsoon diary gives us a glimpse of the diary written and maintained by Ruskin Bond. The first day being talked about is June 24, the time around which monsoon begins. He mentions how the mist silences the bird song and conceals the hills, making everything invisible. By June 25, the humidity emerges as they begin receiving some early monsoon rain. The first cobra lily rears its head from the ferns. The author describes the hill station and the valley in one sentence, a paradise that might have been. The rain also heralds the arrival of a few seasonal visitors like the leopard, leeches, scarlet minuets, and roncos. Because of the rain, there is no scarcity of food for the insect eating birds. He mentions how the rain continued all night on August 2nd. The springing leaks from the tin roof made him feel touched by the rain while actually remaining untouched. By the 12th day of August, Missouri had been receiving showers for a stretch of 8 to 9 days straight. They had nowhere to go. One could only pace in the room or look out of the window. The last day of August marked the peak of the lush monsoon growth. The reddening of the seeds of the lily cobra signified that the rains are about to come to an end, and the ferns will now start turning yellow. With October comes the winter rain, bringing snow on the higher altitudes. The late March marks the end of the winter season when the hill station experiences the darkest clouds that make way for a rainbow to form after it has hailed thus, leaving the sky clear.